Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula is used to find the focal length of a lens. That is 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, children. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Therefore, here example problem is given, children. Here he is asking an example problem related to the lens maker's formula. That is, what is the focal length of double concave lens kept in air with a spherical surfaces of radii r1 is equal to 30 centimeter, r2 is equal to 60 centimeter, and here refractive index of the lens is 1.5. Okay, children. Here he is asking to find the focal length of double concave lens. Here we are taking a double concave lens. Double concave lens. For the double concave lens, normally concave lens, we take f1 this side, c1. Here f2, c2. Here the radii is given as 30 centimeter, this side 60 centimeter. Refractive index of air is given, n is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Here r1 is given as 30 centimeter, r2 60 centimeter, n is equal to 1.5, n is equals to 1.5, n is 1.5, r1 is 30, r2 is 60 centimeter. Okay, children. Right. Here r1 is 30, r2 is 60, n is 1.5. Here we should apply the sign conventions. When an object is to the left side, okay, we should measure from here optic center. Left side normally it is minus, right side it is positive. Okay, here we use the lens maker's formula. 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay, here n is given as 1.5 minus 1. 1 by f is equal to 1.5 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. Okay. Minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60, children. Okay. Minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. Okay. Next, by solving this we get 1.5 minus 1. 1 by f is equal to 1.5 minus 1 is how much, children? 0.5. Is it? Yes. 0.5 into minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. Minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. Okay. Here 1 by f is equals to 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2 into what is the LCM, children? 60 is the LCM. 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Here minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3. Okay, children. Here minus 2 minus 3. Sorry, minus 2. 60 ones are 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Okay, children. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, children. Is 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 60. 3 1 ja 3 20. Here 1 by f is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 20. That is 1 by 12, 2 into 20 is 40. Here f is equals to minus 40 centimeter. Therefore, here what is given, children? F is equals to minus 40 centimeter. Okay, children. Here minus indicates it is concave lens. The lens is a diverging lens. Children. Okay, in the calculation part in the textbook, in some textbook it is given as minus 120. It is not minus 120, it is minus 40. Children. Okay, make a note of it. It is minus 40. Why? Because here 1 by f is equal to n minus 1. N is 1.5. 1.5 minus 1. 1.5 minus 1, that is 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5 into 1 by minus 1 by 30 and minus 1 by 60. Okay, minus 1 by 30 and minus 1 by 60. It is here LCM is 60. 32s are 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 by 60 is 3 by 20. 1 by 20. Here minus 1 by 20. If we calculate, we get F is equals to minus 40 centimeter. F is equals to minus 40 centimeters. Okay, right. This is about the problem. By this we completed the chapter, children. We completed the chapter. Okay, except the derivations. In this chapter we completed everything. Derivations related to the lens formula, lens maker's formula, and as well as the curved surface formula. Actually the derivations are not required. That is the reason I did not explain, children. Okay, later we see. Okay, next here we are learning about the keywords. Here he is asking about the lens. What is the keyword of lens? What is a lens? Lens is defined as a optical medium which is transparent, which is made up of a plastic or a glass, is called as a lens. Optical medium which is transparent, which is made up of a lens or a plastic, is called as the lens. Focal length is defined as, okay, the distance between the optic center and the focal point. The optic center and the focal point is called as the focal length. Next, focus, that is principal focus or focal point, we say. Focus is defined as when a light ray is traveling parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through a point. That point is called as the focal point. Okay. Next we have optic center. It is the center of the lens, is called as the optic center. Next he is asking the principal axis. The line which is passing through the optic center and the center of curvature is called as the principal axis. Radius of curvature, the distance between the optic center and the center of curvature is called as the radius of curvature. Next, center of curvature. Okay, it is the center of the sphere. Where lens is a part, is called as the center of curvature. Or we can see that it is a point of intersection of all the normals meeting, is called as the center of curvature. Okay, therefore here we completed the keywords, children. Keywords is completed. This is about the keywords of the chapter, children. These are the keywords of the chapter. Therefore here you should make a note of all these points, and here whatever that you have understood, okay. If you have not understood, you can comment in the WhatsApp group, such that I will clear the problem. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.